provision for discount on debtor. Provision for discount on debtor. Correct now. Are you able to understand? Provision for discount on debtor. Correct. Now, one journal entry already we have done discount allowed to debtor. When I am saying discount already allowed, correct now. So just try to understand. Discount already allowed. Then to no doubt the journal entry is discount allowed account debit to debtor. But if there is some expected discount to be allowed on closing debtor, on closing debtor means, can I say whatever debtor which is closing balance, so the amount will be received in next year. So out of some debtor may pay before the credit period, and if they pay before the credit period allowed, so some discount, some cash discount may be given. Understood? Cash discount. So if some cash discount will be given to them on prompt payment, can you see this become expected discount? So for expected discount, once again this is expected loss or expenses for what? For past event. So once again conservatism principle will apply. Same to same whatever we have done for bad debt or provision for doubtful debt, that journal entry will apply. You can see for bad debt we have done bad debt to debtor. So for discount allowed, the journal entry is discount allowed to debtor. And for expected bad debt, our journal entry was PL account debit to provision for doubtful debt. So for expected discount to be allowed on closing debtor, the journal entry will be what? PL account, PL account debit to provision for discount on debtor. Correct? Same. I think no explanation required. It is similar to whatever we have done for bad debt and provision for doubtful debt. Let us take one question. Let us take one example. Example. Trial balance. March 31st 2020. Debtor 2 lakh. Correct? And provision for discount on debtor. If I am say writing PFDOD, so it is discount on debtor. So of course this is the opening balance on 1/4/2019. So it was created last year. It was created last year. Suppose 20,000. Suppose 20,000. Same thing whatever we have done for what? Whatever we have done for bad debt. Correct? Now adjustment. Point number A. Discount allowed. Discount allowed 25,000 and create provision for discount on debtor at the rate of 10%. At the 10%, of course, on closing debtor. Of course, on closing debtor, even though not written, it means 10% is on closing debtor only, correct? So always on closing debtor, correct? So same to same, I think you can do it. But first we'll do adjustment entry. But what journal entry for discount allowed? Discount allowed journal entry is what? Discount allowed account debit to debtor. How much? 25,000. 25,000, correct? Now, discount allowed is normally transferred to PL account. But if you have created provision for discount and debtor, if you have created provision for discount and debtor, so can discount allowed will be charged to what? Provision for discount and debtor, correct? Same thing. So, but what journal entry you'll do? Provision for discount on debtor account debit to discount allowed. How much? 25,000. 25,000, correct? But last year you created 20,000, but currently it is 25,000. So there is a shortfall of 5,000. There is a shortfall of 5,000, correct? Understood? Now we'll create current year provision for doubtful debt. What journal entry? Profit and loss account debit to provision for discount on debtor. Provision for discount on debtor. बताओ, it will be on what amount? कौन सा अमाउंट? 10% ऑफ व्हाट? मुझे बताओ 10% ऑफ व्हाट? 10% ऑफ व्हाट? 10% ऑफ व्हाट? एवरीवन, 10% of what? 2 lakh. But 2 lakh minus what? 25,000 now. 2 lakh minus 25,000 ना, करेक्ट? फिर से आप नहीं समझ पा रहे हो. We have done one journal entry discount allowed to debtor, correct ना? तो debtor is reduced by what now? 25,000. Debtor is reduced by 25,000. So it will be 1,75,000. 1,75,000, correct? Understood? 1,75,000 plus what? Last year shortfall कितना हुआ? 5,000. Last year shortfall is 5,000. So 1,75,000 into 10% plus 5,000 is equal to 22,500. 22,500. Understood this point? Bolo. Have you understood this point? Any doubt? Same thing whatever we have done for bad debt. Now if you prepare provision for discount on debtor account, but the by balance brought down how much? 5,000 is the, this 5,000 why we have added? Because last year you have created a provision of 20,000 but actual discount allowed is 25,000. तो 5,000 का शॉर्टफॉल नहीं हो गया? सेम थिंग. अब बार बार वही चीज पूछ रहे हो. बेड डेप में भी हमने यही किया है, करेक्ट ना? तो बताओ यहां पर देखो ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज 20,000 बट यहां लिखेंगे नाउ टू डिस्काउंट अलाउड. टू डिस्काउंट अलाउड is how much? 25,000. So how much shortfall? 5,000, correct? तो हम क्रिएट करेंगे बाई पीएल विल बी 22,500 22,500. So to carry it down will be how much required for current year, that is 17,500. 17,500. Understood now? Have you understood now? Yes sir. But in profit and loss account, everyone, बताओ टू डिस्काउंट अलाउड कितना लिखेंगे? टू डिस्काउंट अलाउड हाउ मच? एवरीवन बताओ. In profit and loss account, to discount allowed how much? And to provision for discount on debtor how much? बोलो. To discount allowed how much? To provision for discount on debtor how much? How much discount allowed will be transferred to PL? Correct. So can I say discount allowed will not come, but provision for discounted is 22,500. Those who are saying discount allowed will now come in PL, wrong. Discount allowed is closed by transfer to provision account. Discount allowed को देखो कहाँ PL में ट्रांसफर किया? क्या discount allowed को you have closed by transfer to PL or provision for discount on debtor? So discount allowed will not come in PL. Provision for discount on debtor, which is adjusted with the shortfall of discount allowed, will be transferred to what? PL. तो आप देखो पीएल में क्या ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो? ओनली ये ना, दिस विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड. अंडरस्टूड? समझो मेरी बात को, आप मेरी बात को समझो. डिस्काउंट, whenever provision for discount on debtor will be open, then discount allowed will be adjusted by transfer to provision for discount debtor account, not to PL account, not to PL account. Have you understood this point? Correct. बताओ in balance sheet बताओ how much debtor in balance sheet, how much debtor? One lakh 75,000, correct? Minus provision for discount on debtor how much? Provision for discount on debtor how much? बताओ फटाफट. It is 17,500, correct? So it become 1,75,000 minus 17,500 is equal to कितना आया बताओ? It is 1,57,500. Understood? Understood this point? Correct. But in exam, you are not supposed to prepare this adjustment entry. You need to do directly in PL and balance sheet. तो आपको समझना है, correct? That point you need to understand कि कैसे करना है. हाँ, this provision for discount on debtor, this account you can prepare in as a working note. But अगर ये इतना जर्नल एंट्री पास करोगे तो it will take much time. So you need to become expert in that. Understood? Yes sir. एक क्वेश्चन मैं देता हूँ. You do by your own. Do by your own right now only. Correct? Example. Trial balance 31st March 2019. Let's see how many of you are doing correct. मैं आपको कंफ्यूज करूंगा, ठीक है? Debtor 2 lakh, discount allowed 20,000, discount allowed 20,000, bad debt 20,000, correct? Sales return 20,000, provision for discount on debtor, provision for discount on debtor 1/4/2019, means opening balance 25,000, 25,000, adjustment, create provision for discount on debtor at the rate of 5%. Do it fast. I'm just giving you 5 minutes. फटाफट करो. Done everyone? Very good. Now everyone done, correct? So can I say in this provision for discount on debtor account will you prepared? So now I'm doing directly, correct ना? अब मैं directly कर रहा हूँ. तो ऑलवेज इन एग्जाम मैंने प्रोविजन ना तो आप अकाउंट बना लो तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा. तो ओपनिंग बैलेंस कितना? ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज हाउ मच? 25,000, correct? Discount allowed will be charged to this account. Discount allowed is equal to how much? Discount allowed is equal to how much? 20,000. So now there is a surplus. Surplus है, correct now? Now can I say 2 carried down? This 2 carried down means closing balance will be 5% of closing debtor. But the 5% of what? 5% of what? Everyone. 5% of what? This carried down will be always 5% of closing debtor. ये याद रखना. तो पहले carried down निकालो तो आपका ये balancing figure हो जाएगा by PL. Correct? But the 5% of closing debtor how much? Closing debtor how much? बताओ फटाफट. 5% of closing debtor. Very good. 2 lakh. Mean discount allowed is already adjusted. Bad debt is already adjusted. Sales return is already adjusted with debtor. तो उसका एंट्री हो चुका है. तो 5% और 2 lakh. Very good. तो 2 lakh into 5% how much? 10,000. तो how much we should create? By PL कितना होगा? तो by PL will be the balancing figure. तो 25,000 minus 30,000 कितना आया? तो can I say 5,000 should be created for in current year. Understood this point? So we can do in this way. समझे मेरी बात को? Yes sir. Now in profit and loss account बताओ I'm just writing a bit right now. To provision for doubtful debt. To provision for doubtful debt will be 5,000. Sorry, provision for discount on debtor will be 5,000. To bad debt will also come. To bad debt how much? Bad debt, because for bad debt there is no provision account. So bad debt will be now charged to PL account directly, correct? So bad debt कितना है 20,000. Sales return will be deducted from sales in trading account. वो trading account में चल जाएगा. And in balance sheet अभी बताओ. In balance sheet debtor will be how much? मुझे बताओ. In balance sheet debtor will be how much? Everyone respond. In balance sheet debtor will be how much? In balance sheet debtor will be how much? 2 lakh. Very good. 2 lakh. Less what? Provision for discount on debtor. How much? 10,000. So this is what? 1,90,000. Understood this point? Correct.